Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the bulk driveshaft used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and in the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. We recommend you to unscrew the driveshaft screw with the vehicle on the ground. If your vehicle has aluminium rims, you must remove the wheel to take off the hubcap from the inside without scratching the rim. With the wheel on the ground, using a breaker bar and an M24 Triple square socket, unscrew the screw partway from the drivetrain. To replace your vehicle's driveshafts, you must lift the front of the vehicle and remove the wheels to have full access. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. In order to remove the driveshaft, you must disengage the control arms from the stub axle. To do this, use a ratchet and a 16mm socket and unscrew the ball joint from the control arm. Disengage the control arm. To remove the driveshaft, you must block the rotation of the disc. Insert a thin-flatted screwdriver that can slip in between the two sides of the disc. Then, unscrew the 6 screws that hold the driveshaft to the gearbox using an M8 12-point socket. Rotate the driveshaft and lock it as you unscrew it so that you have easy access to all the screws. Finish unscrewing the screw from the drivetrain. You can now remove the driveshaft.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the bulk driveshaft used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and in the link in the description. Unscrew the new screw at the end of the drivetrain. Get the new driveshaft. Remove the plastic protection. Put it in position, then insert it into the hub. Reinstall the ball joint in the control arms. Then screw the nuts back on. Finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. Align the driveshaft with the gearbox. Retrieve the 6 screws and their 3 screwing guides from the old driveshaft. Rotate the driveshaft and gradually reassemble it. You can now screw the 6 screws back into the gearbox. Tighten the 6 screws on the gearbox using the screwdriver technique. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Take the supplied hub screw. Screw it in until it makes contact. We recommend shifting to 5th gear and asking someone to step on the brake to prevent the driveshaft from rotating and to screw in the hub screw. Do the first tightening phase of the hub screw, wheel suspended using a torque wrench. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Once the vehicle is back on the ground, you can carry out the second hub screw tightening phase by adding a torque angle. You can make visible marks on your screw on your rim to better visualize the movement of your spanner. Refit the hub nut cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.